Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be this makeup for glasses look. It's everyday, it's simple, it's for people who can't see, who are partially sighted like me, who may be colorblind like me, who are beginners, who are not makeup artists and want to use simple everyday makeup looks to try to look fine and just get out of the door. Easy everyday look. I'm going to talk about the products I use, everything I have on my face, and yeah, so let's start watching. I have already put on my face cream, which is what I'm using at the moment, is the Dalon Hyaluronic Complex. It's lifting, anti-aging, moisturizing. This is a Greek brand that was gifted to me from my friend, and I like it. It pulls your skin. You can look into it. I'll try to link a pharmacy link for this, or if you go to Greece you can check this out. And the other thing that my friend gave me, who does the PR for this company, is Be Earth Glorious Eyes, which is an eye cream, because it's glorious eyes of course, and I just patted it under around my eyes. I don't really have that many wrinkles, so I don't know how these work. This one I can feel that it's tightening my skin, and it does smoothen out a bit, so these are good. Let's move on to the makeup. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer, which is supposed to minimize redness. I don't know if it does, but I just use it to make myself feel like I'm actually doing something. So I'm going to apply this. Yeah, I put it on my chin. I just put it everywhere because it's a primer and I paid my money for it. So, okay, so this is really looking good. But the foundation I'm wearing is my perfect color, which is, and I'm in the shade Ivory from Primark. And this is supposed to be a dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It does feel thick and has a lot of coverage to it. I don't know if it is it is long lasting. It is full coverage, so I do like that about it. It's affordable. It's not like how much is Estee Lauder Double Wear now? I don't know, around 30 pounds or something like that. So price wise, it's good. I'm just gonna spread this all over the face and then show you the final result. So I was checking to see if I was recording. That's where you saw my face up close. Now I use the Real Techniques buffing brush to just put it on my skin, and I always forget to do the chin area. I don't know about you guys, but that's what I always forget. Now this is not going to be a makeup tutorial because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just going to show you my everyday makeup for glasses when you can't see, because I love watching these videos, but they do these amazing looks. I'm like, how can you do this smoky eye? I can't see. So for me, the most important thing is the foundation and the lippy, which is what I'm going to focus on. Now I'm going to show you the concealers I use. So, Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer for spots, and this is the e.l.f. What's this called? The Camo Concealer, whatever it is. I like this. I have a shade that's lighter, so I can brighten under my eyes, and I'm going to apply it. So the Estee Lauder one, I just put on like the little spots I have. The e.l.f. one, I just put it close to my eye, under my eye. I'm using a sponge to pat this in, and I like to go in the inner corner because that's where my eye looks dark. Just make sure it goes all the way. Whatever excess product I have, I just pull it down my nose and on the side. So I've just put my concealer, and now I'm going to put on some translucent powder. Okay, so the powder I got was a bit of a adventure. So it's the Perfection Matte Silky Loose Face Powder. I put a lot on my face, so I don't know if it looks too light, but I'm going to go in with my bronzer now. So I've done a few lines on my cheeks, and I'm going to blend it a bit. I always use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So I'm just going to blend this a bit under my chin as well. And then after I've contoured a bit, my Laura Mercier bronzer in 02. Just to give myself a bit of colour. Just to come back to this, so I opened it and a whole puff of what's it called? Powder came out and it was everywhere, and I put in my brush and anyway, so I'm going to put on some blusher and some lippy. I'm going to try the Life is a Peach. I've already worn my lipstick. I'm going to show you in a minute what that is. So I've never tried this one. It's the L'Oreal Life is a Peach. Okay, Bobbi Brown Pink Glow Highlighter. I really like this. Just a bit goes a long way. Okay, and a bit on my nose. Now let's talk about the lippy. According to the Max Factor website, this is the Bewitching Coral. You're supposed to do this when you apply it. So I am. Now I'm going to press it in and I'm going to put some more. I think this is like the tip that everyone says to do. So. And I also tried the lipstick lock from Rimmel. I put it on my lips. They sting. I don't know if I'm going to like this. It's like a nail polish. So, it smells very alcohol-y. Oh man, that stings. Don't know why I'm doing this. So it's called Lipstick Lock. I'll tell you if it works in another video. So you need to subscribe. I'm going to put on my mascara. I love this. Lash Paradise Essence. It's amazing. So this is the eye with the Lash Paradise. This is nothing. And I'm not really that good at applying mascara. I'm just going to go on to the other eye as well. Okay, so I put a little bit of mascara on my eyebrows. The eyebrow mascara, whatever it's called. It's Bobbi Brown. I'm in the shade Brunette. Just a little bit. I think I wiped a little bit of my mascara off because it's smudged. This is my... And I put a little bit of the peach blusher on my eyes, just a little bit. I can't see it, but just a little bit of color. So this is my final look. I always go for teeth. I was going to say teeth. For lips and a nice base, a little bit of blusher, and then hair, you know. Oh, something about the hair. I went to the hairdresser and she told me that if you want your hair not to look like they've fallen and dried down and without life, put the hairspray on your hands and then go through your hair. So that's what I did. And it works. And I also put on my diamond hairspray or whatever it's called from Charles Worthington. I'm an amazing YouTuber. I give you all the useful information. I don't even know what my products are called. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what your makeup for glasses looks like, because this is mine, simple, every day. Let's just get out of the house. Fine. Look. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, because that's what everyone says you need to do. Trying to grow would be amazing if you came back and watched another video. I hope you didn't bore you to death. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.